Hey pups, it's Gpup here, and I just wanted to show this amazing new hood that has been made by the team at Mr. S Leather. Um, Seriously, I'm gobsmacked at how responsive these guys have been to the community because they've redesigned many elements of one of my favorite hoods, and now it's even fucking better. So I just wanted to show you a couple of really cool new features. So the snout is different now. You'll notice that it's not quite as long, it's not quite as wide, so it's a lot more canine-like, and you're actually able to get your tongue out now, which is pretty fucking cool. While you're looking at the snout, check out this. Now there are breathing holes in there as well, which means that you are going to be able to enjoy wearing the hood for a longer period of time, and you're not going to be rebreathing that same stale air in again and again and again. So that's fantastic and makes the hood much more comfortable. The eyelets are looking great, plenty of room there. And now the jowl add-on is a standard, which is really cool. It reinforces the strength of the hood, but it also allows a little bit of extra customization. On the topic of customization, holy fucking shit. This is now the most customizable hood available on the market. You can customize everything, not just the color of the snout, not just the color of the head. You can actually customize every single thing that goes into the hood, from the brow to the inner ear and the outside of the ear as well, the bridge, the nose, the muzzle, the accents on the jowl, but also right down to the color of the grommets that you're going to be breathing through, and the snaps as well. This is fucking amazing, and seriously, stop the presses. If you were thinking about buying a hood, you need to stop and review what you were going to buy, because now you can have a hood that's made just for you, and you're going to stick out like dog's balls because it's going to be just you that has that particular style of hood. Fucking amazing. Thank you, Mr. S. This is a really great product, and hurry up and take my money. So guys, I'm going to put a link below. You can go and check it out at Mr. S. But seriously, if you're at IML, go and give the guys at Mr. S a huge hug for me, because fuck me, they've done a really good job. Super, super stoked with this one. Anyway, have a great one. Check out the link below. See you guys. Bye.